Now, example 12.6. Read. A wire of given material having length L. A wire of given material having length L. Length is L. And area of cross section A. Area of cross section A has a resistance of 4 ohms. Has a resistance of 4 ohms. Means the length is L, area is A. L meters, A meter square. And what you have to do? What would be the resistance of another wire of the same material? Okay, same material. Means this is part 1, part 2. Part 1, part 2. They are asking what would be the resistance of another wire of the same material. If the material is same, what is same? There is some quantity which is same.
Resistance.
What?
Resistance.
Resistivity.
Resistivity.
हर बात 2 बार बताना मुझे, क्या लोग अभी बोलो. रेजिस्टेंस, रेजिस्टिविटी ऐसा लिखाया था ना मैंने आपको.
Yes, sir.
If material changes, then only resistivity changes. Otherwise, resistivity doesn't change. Means resistivity is same in both the cases. Padho abhi. A wire of a given material having length L, area of cross section A has a resistance of 4 ohms. What would be the resistance of another wire of the same material having length L by 2 and area of cross section 2A? Here the length is L by 2 meters and area is 2A meter square. What you have to find? What would be the resistance? Only this much information is given. Only this much information is given. Now you have to think. If we have to find this R, there should be something common between both. What is common between both? If the material is same.
Yes.
Resistivity.
First find out rho here. Rho is equal to what? बताओ चलो जल्दी जल्दी.
A upon L.
L.
RA by L. R is 4. A is A and L is L. So rho is equal to this. In this case, also rho would be same to same. That would be RA by
2A.
Here R is R itself. Okay, you may take it as it is. R1, R2 you may take it as. R1, R2. Here all of them 2. Here all of them 1. But rho remains rho. Here R1, A1, L1. Here R2, A2 and L2. Rho remains rho. Now R2 is how much? You have to find it out. A2. A2 is 2A.
Upon 1 by 2. In
A. And divided by L by 2 means divided by L by 2 means multiplied by 1 upon L2. L2 is what? L upon 2. So divided by, you may write this simple terms, it would be
22 by
divided by L2 means R2 into 2A divided by L2. L2 is L by 2 means this will be R2 into 2A multiplied by 2 by L. And this row are same. So instead of this, you may substitute this row here. It will become R1 A1 upon L1. R1 A1 upon L1. So here R1 A1 upon L1. Now what you have to find? You have to find R2. Only R2 remains. Here everything goes on that side. R1 A1 into, this was L, formula it was. This is the value. You have to substitute the value. 4A by L. So this is 4A by L is equal to. So this is 4A by L. Division becomes multiplication. And in the denominator, there would be R2, 2A and 2 into R2 into 2A. Is the sum clear? Is the sum clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, in the textbook, R1, R2 करके they have equated. You may solve it like two columns. Columns के जैसा solve करो उसको. That will be easier. Part 1, part 2. Now, resistance of a system of resistors. C. New topic. What is this?
One.
Current.
Current.
Electric current.
Electric current.
What is this?
Electric charge upon time.
बोलो ना, बोलो. Speak up.
Charge upon
Charge upon time.
What is this?
1 coulomb upon
Upon
1
second.
second.
1
What is the
second.
next thing?
One ampere.
1 ampere.
What is this?
Ammeter.
Ammeter.
Meter.
What?
Series.
Series.
What is this?
Volt.
Volt.
Work done upon.
Volt में potential difference.
Potential difference.
Work done.
बोलो आगे.
Work done upon
Work done
charge.
upon charge.
What is this?
1
1
joule
joule upon
upon
1
coulomb.
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 What is this?
1 volt.
1 volt.
1 volt.
Voltmeter.
Voltmeter.
What should I write here?
Parallel.
Parallel.
Parallel. Yes, Shambhavi? Just a minute. Just a minute. Yes. So there are two things actually, series and parallel, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
There are two things, series and parallel. So now what do we mean by series and parallel? Here on the board. Series means if with the same wire you connect everything. If with the same wire you connect everything, then it is known as in series. Then you call that the system, then you say that the system of resistors have been arranged in series. Now just pay attention here on the board. This is a refrigerator. This is a television. This is a tube light. This is a bulb. If you connect all of them with the same wire, to a socket, what will happen?
The system of resistor will be arranged in a series.
But what will be the issue? Will all of them work? Means all of them won't
No.
work.
Won't work.
Won't
properly.
work.
Won't work. All of them won't work. Clear? In our household, हमारे घर में, घर से ही सीखो फिर से again. हाँ, हमारे घर में एक बटन चालू करने से सब चालू हो जाता क्या?
नहीं।
No.
ऐसा कौन सा बटन? ऐसा एक बटन है, ऐसा एक बटन है जो चालू करने से सब चालू हो जाता है. क्या है वो?
Meter.
Meter.
Meter. So meter is arranged in series. But are all the appliances arranged in series?
No.
No.
Why? Because their power consumption is different. The power consumption of tube light is different. The power consumption of refrigerator is different. The power consumption of television is different. The power consumption of a bulb is different. Power consumption means, what is the definition of electric current?
Rate of flow.
Rate of-
Rate of
flow of
flow of
charges.
charge.
Means the rate of flow of charges through tube light is different. Rate of flow of charges through refrigerator is different. Rate of flow of charges through all the appliances is different. So just think, will the rate of flow of charges be more in refrigerator case or television case?
Refrigerator.
Refrigerator. Clear? So if there is a bridge, and the capacity of that bridge is, suppose in 1 second only 2 people can run through it. Okay, only in 1 second 2 people can run. If in 1 second 3 people try to run over the bridge, 3 people try to cross the bridge every
It will
second,
collapse.
the bridge would collapse. Clear? So suppose 5 people try to cross that bridge, what will happen?
It will collapse.
It will collapse. Same is the case with television, and that was the rate of flow of people. Rate of flow of people through the bridge. This is the rate of flow of charges through television and the refrigerator. So the capacity of rate of flow of charges of television would be less. So if you arrange it in such a circuit, what would happen? Either of them would collapse. Agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
There would be some or the other problem. So therefore it is means all these are not arranged in series. Clear? All of them cannot be arranged in series. These are arranged in parallel. They are having separate switches. They are having separate switches. Okay, and the electricity to these switches from the switchboard is the same. Did you find out the difference?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
एक वायर सॉकेट्स में आती है, सब सॉकेट में, वो सॉकेट से करंट टेलीविजन को जाएगा, ट्यूबलाइट को जाएगा, बल्ब को जाएगा. अब नाउ टेल मी, all the appliances in our households are arranged in
Parallel.
parallel lines हो गया ना?
हाँ.
They are arranged in parallel, and
हाँ.
the meter in our household is arranged in,
Series.
because if you put off the meter, the main switch, clear, then everything would be shut down. Is the difference between series and parallel clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now,
sir.
now, one question I'll ask, which will make it clear whether you have understood it or not. Think and answer. हमारे घर में अभी पूजा वगैरह चालू है ना, गणपति बापा बैठे हैं, बराबर. सो लाइटिंग लगा दें हम, वो लाइटिंग ऐसी छोटे छोटे बल्ब वाली लाइटिंग है ना. सो वो लाइटिंग में का बीच में का कोई एक बल्ब होता है बंद, या तो एक 10-12 बल्ब एक साथ, या तो 20-25 बल्ब एक साथ बंद हो जाते
20-25 एक साथ.
हैं. Now tell me that lighting is in series or parallel?
Series.
Understood.
सर पैरेलल में तो एक ही वायर है ना, तो वो अलग अलग कैसे दे सकते?
पैरेलल में एक ही वायर नहीं है बेटा. पैरेलल में
इसमें कनेक्टेड एक ही वायर है ना?
सॉकेट के अंदर, सॉकेट से बाहर अलग अलग वायर आती है ना। और एक बार बताऊं, और एक बार सीरीज पैरेलल बताता हूं। यहां देखो, नाउ आई विल मेक टू डिफरेंट हियर, a television, a refrigerator, a tube light, a bulb. Here is a socket. And you have arranged, this is a socket. बराबर। सॉकेट का
Yes, sir.
मतलब मैं मीटर की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं। सॉकेट का मतलब ये ऐसा सॉकेट, सॉकेट बता,
स्विच बोर्ड,
स्विच बोर्ड, ये ऐसा वाला दिखा?
हाँ सर।
दिखा
Yes,
क्या?
sir.
हाँ दिखा। सो वो है स्विच बोर्ड। सॉकेट बाय अ सॉकेट आई मीन अ स्विच बोर्ड। इफ यू टेक अ वायर, connect everything, connect all these appliances, okay, and in the socket, so then we'll say that all of them are arranged in series. Clear? And your meter means there is an MCB. Your meter means there is an MCB, वो ट्रिप डाउन हो जाती है, देखा हुआ है? मिनी
हाँ सर, ओवरलोड।
Yes, sir.
है ना, ट्रिप हो जाती है वो। So now if from this meter this is in parallel, समझ में आएगा कुछ?
हाँ सर।
हमारे घर में ऐसा होता है या ऐसा होता है?
पैरेलल होता है।
Second one.
Yeah. Now this was in terms of appliances. Now the original thing in the in terms of resistance. Okay, so here, pay attention here on the board. Here, this television, does it have some variable? Does it have some resistance?
Yes sir।
Yes, sir.
So we'll call it as R1, resistance 1. Okay. Does this refrigerator have some resistance?
Yes.
Yes.
sir।
Yes.
तो क्या?
Resistant to
R2.
R2।
What is this?
R3.
Does bulb have some resistance?
Yes R3।
Yes. R4.
Simple thing to understand is, हाँ, तो पहले ये देख लो, ये रेफ्रिजरेटर, ये टेलीविजन है, रेफ्रिजरेटर है, ट्यूबलाइट है, बल्ब है. ओके,
Yes, sir.
Yes sir।
now here there are two wires, huh? Two wires are there, wire 1, wire 2, and here there is resistance, wire 1, wire 2, a resistance, I have just increased the distance between the wires. हाँ, समझ में आ रहा है figure?
हाँ
Yes, sir.
Wire 1, wire 2. And here, wire 1, wire 2. This is R1, this is R2, this is R3, this is R4. This is the original figure, textual figure. Textual figure ऐसा होगा somewhat. Clear? And this is a battery, this is a battery. Clear? Now, this is television, refrigerator, tube light and bulb arranged in series. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is television, refrigerator, tube light and bulb arranged in parallel. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Now, major difference, practical difference is how to find out whether in series or parallel. Now listen, here there is a battery. Suppose this is a battery. This is positive terminal, this is negative terminal. Now, an electron starts moving. Electron starts moving. बोला मैंने तो electron, from where will the electron start moving?
Negative
Negative
positive
to
terminal.
Now listen. Negative, one electron has started moving. Started moving. Speed breaker. Started moving. Speed breaker. Started moving. Back to the positive terminal. Answer a question. Did the same electron pass through all the four resistances?
yes
Yes, sir.
Now, next thing. Here, positive terminal, negative terminal, battery. Now, an electron starts moving from the negative terminal. Here, it will have to think, because if one moves through this, it will be utilized, its energy would be utilized there itself. So, in this case, in the case of parallel, will the same electron move through all of them?
no
No.
It won't move through all of them. Now, more simplified figure is given in your textbook. Figure 12.6. Figure 12.6. Observe R1, R2 and R3. Figure 12.6. R1, R2 and R3. They are arranged in what?
Series.
Series.
Now, keep your finger on the negative terminal. Kept?
Yes, sir.
Now start moving. Suppose an electron is moving. Your finger is an electron. Now start moving towards your right. Did you pass the key?
Yes.
yes
Did you cross the key? Did you cross the first arrow?
Yes.
Then take left. Did you cross the second arrow where I is written?
Yes.
Yes.
Then again take left. Did you cross the letter Y, point Y?
Yes.
Yes. Now move through R3. Then pass through R2. Then pass through R1. Pass through X. Pass through the ammeter. And pass through what? Ammeter के बाद में कौन है? Arrow. And then take right. And where do you reach?
Positive
Terminal.
So did the same electron pass through all the three resistances?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now figure 12.7. Observe. All of them are arranged in series. Parallel. R1, R2, R3 are arranged in parallel. दिखाई दे रहा है R1, R2, R3?
हाँ
Yes, sir.
Yes.
दिखाई दे रहा है. Now we'll perform the same activity for R1, R2, R3. Keep your finger on the negative terminal of figure 12.7. Kept?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Start moving towards your right. Start moving. Pass the key. You have cross the key. Cross the arrow. Pass the ammeter. Then take what? Right or left?
Left.
Left.
Take left. Take left. Pass that I wala arrow. Then move up. Then take left again. Pass that second arrow. Then come to that point Y. Now there is a question in your mind. I should take which path?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose we take path R1. Come on, start moving through path R1. Y से ऊपर चढ़ो, चढ़ाव के ऊपर चढ़ाव के ऊपर चढ़ो. Then take left again, pass that resistance R1, pass that point X, and you will come and the electron will come to the positive terminal. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, will the same electron be able to pass through all the three resistors?
No.
No.
The understanding. Okay? Is the difference between series and parallel clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This was the practical application. फिगर आपको ऐसा ही याद रखना है, लेकिन आपको अगर किसी को समझाना है कि सीरीज पैरेलल व्हाट इज द मेजर डिफरेंस, ये लिखने के लिए नहीं है. हाँ? मतलब आप बोलेंगे if one electron passes through all the resistors then the resistors are arranged in series, you are wrong. Clear? Theoretically, theory के हिसाब से wrong है. Practically you are right. अगर आप किसी को बोलेंगे ऐसा होता है practically, हाँ, then it's correct. Okay? So theory, in theory form, what you have to write, that we'll mark from the textbook. Okay? For your understanding, is this thing clear? Is series and parallel clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अगर आपको दो फिगर्स देंगे, वो फिगर में बोलेंगे चलो यहाँ रेजिस्टर सीरीज में अरेंज है या पैरेलल में है, तो आप कौन सी एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म करके पता करेंगे?
फिंगर वाली.
Electron.
Finger वाली.
आप दो चार बार करेंगे ना, बाद में तो करने की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगी, बिकॉज योर माइंड ब्रेन वुड बी ट्रेन्ड ऑटोमेटिकली. ठीक है, चलो आगे चलते हैं. नाउ रीड.
Sir, I did not understand the example.
कौन सा एग्जांपल बेटा?
सर वो लाइट्स वाला.
रेफ्रिजरेटर वाला?
नहीं वो लाइट्स वाला, वो गणपति में लाइट्स जो लगाते हैं ना.
तो गणपति में लाइट लगाते, वो घर पे लगाए नहीं क्या?
हाँ, लगाए है ना.
लगाए हैं तो बंद नहीं हुई क्या?
नहीं.
बंद होने की राह देखना पड़ेगी. जब तक वो बंद नहीं होती तब तक नहीं समझ में आता. बराबर, वो एक बार तो भी बंद होनी चाहिए. तो क्या होता है मैं आपको बताता हूँ. छोटे छोटे बल्ब वाली प्लास्टिक के बल्ब वाली ऐसी लाइटिंग होगी ना वो.
यस सर.
हाँ, पिंक वायर, 2-3 पिंक वायर होती है, 2-3 ब्लू वायर होती है, ऐसी वाली होगी ना.
यस सर.
है ना. तो उसमें क्या होता है, if one bulb gets fused, clear, all the bulbs will get, means all the electricity won't be supplied to all the bulbs. Okay, now just wait a minute. Figure 12.6 देखो, मैं अभी आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ. Figure 12.6 दिखाई दे रहा? Figure 12.6 देखें?
Yes sir.
Now suppose R1, R2 and R3 are 3 bulbs in your lighting. Agree?
Yes sir.
Now if bulb R3 gets short means will the electric circuit inside the bulb be open or closed?
Closed.
Or
Open.
bulb short हो गया, ये short.
Open.
बल्ब शॉर्ट हो गया मतलब उसका कनेक्शन टूट गया इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से टूट गया तो ओपन हो जाएगा ना.
Yes.
Yeah. Now just think, if you take an eraser and rub 2 lines from that speed breaker, from that resistance R3, then will that electron be able to pass through the circuit?
No.
No, sir.
No.
पूरा सर्किट ही बंद हो जाएगा. समझ में आया?
Yes sir.
So what is the disadvantage of appliances arranged in series? What is the disadvantage?
If one gets damaged.
Yes, if one gets damaged, all of them won't operate. Got it? You will have to find out. अच्छा जाने दो, ये उससे भी और एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है. 15 अगस्त 26 जनवरी होता है, तो उस टाइम गवर्नमेंट की जो बिल्डिंग्स होती है उसके ऊपर ऐसी लाइटिंग लगी रहती है. यू में लाइटिंग
Yes,
लगी
sir.
रहती है.
Yes.
यू में लाइटिंग लगी रहती है ना. और रात में अब अगर आप कभी जाएंगे किसी गवर्नमेंट बिल्डिंग के सामने से, तो वो सब यू चालू रहते हैं या कुछ यू बीच में बंद हो जाते हैं?
सब यूँ चालू रहता
बंद हो जाते हैं।
सब चालू रहता
बंद होता है।
मैं जब भी
बंद हो
देखता हूँ,
जाते।
मैं जितनी भी बार देखा है, बराबर, तो मुझे हर बार एक यू तो भी बंद दिखता, बराबर। सो वो यू बंद होना मतलब इफ वन bulb gets fused, that whole lighting gets fused. Clear? Once again means one more thing. Huh? Same thing I'll explain. Here there is a bulb. Is the bulb visible to you all?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is the filament visible to you all? Filament.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
Filament. Now this is another bulb. This is another bulb. And they are arranged in what?
Series.
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 Now, if I switch on the circuit, all the bulbs will glow. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, all the bulbs will glow if I switch on the circuit. Now, if this bulb gets short, आपने पुराने बल्ब देखे हुए, जब वो शॉर्ट हो जाते हैं ना, तो उसके बीच में का टंगस्टन फिलामेंट ब्रेक हो जाता है, देखा हुआ है वो?
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अब ये इसका फिलामेंट जो है वो ब्रेक हो गया. ओके, सो will current pass through all the three bulbs then?
No.
No.
At the third
आप
bulb.
इसके बारे में नहीं सोचना, ये तो कवर है ना उसका, ग्लास है, ये तो ग्लास कवर है. ग्लास कवर से थोड़ी ना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास होगी. क्लियर? डोंट थिंक अबाउट दिस लाइन. This is the circuit. So, is the circuit open or closed now?
Open.
So, will the remaining two bulbs glow?
No.
No.
अब समझ में आया?
Yes,
हाँ.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now just think. If you arrange all the tube lights in your, suppose there are 10 tube lights in your house. Clear? आप सोचेंगे अब 10 ट्यूब लाइट है, हॉल में 4 ट्यूब लाइट है, बेडरूम में 2 ट्यूब लाइट है, और बाकी जहां भी है, बराबर. तो मैं क्या करता हूं, मैं सब ट्यूबलाइट का एक ही बटन रखता हूं, बराबर. आपने क्या किया, सब ट्यूबलाइट का एक ही बटन रखा. सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज यू कांट कंट्रोल देम सेपरेटली. क्लियर? आपको रात भर या तो सब चालू रखना पड़ेगी या तो सब बंद रखना पड़ेगी, बराबर. क्लियर? आप अगर सोचेंगे रात में सोते वक्त तो सभी बंद कर दे, छोटा बल्ब लगा लूंगा मैं रात में सोते वक्त, हाँ, दैट इज ओके. बट if you have arranged, means if you are having only one switch for all the 10 tube lights, then if any one of the tube lights, if there is a problem with any one tube lights, if one tube light gets short, will there be such a thing there?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
all the tube lights won't work then. So you will have to individually check every tube light and then find out the problem with the single tube light and replace the single tube light. Then only all the 10 tube lights will start working. Barabar?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Same is the case with the lighting. Chota bulb wala lighting. Clear? In our household for decoration. Okay, same case. If one bulb gets short, the whole series, usko series hi bolte hain, the whole series or serial gets short. वो पूरे 15-20 लाइट बंद हो जाएंगे. उसमें फिर आपको चेक करना पड़ता है. वो चेक करने जैसा भी नहीं होता, वो फेंक देना पड़ता है, यूज एंड थ्रो वाला होता है. बल्ब चेंज भी नहीं होता उसमें. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
सर जैसे पहले आपने बोला था कि रेफ्रिजरेटर, टीवी और उसके सब अप्लायंस थे, तो अगर रेफ्रिजरेटर खराब हो जाता है तो बाकी बल्ब, ट्यूबलाइट भी ये हो जाएंगे ना, चलेंगे नहीं.
पहली बात तो वो दैट सिस्टम ऑफ रेजिस्टर्स वोंट वर्क ओनली. व्हाई? बिकॉज ब्रिज का एग्जांपल, rate of flow of charge is different. Okay, so it won't work only. First thing, either of them would get short. Clear? And
Yes,
if
sir.
that gets short, clear, rest appliances won't work only because the circuit is open now.
Yes, sir. Got.
अभी भी किसी को कुछ डाउट है सीरीज पैरेलल में, जल्दी जल्दी बोलो.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
चलो आगे चलते, पढ़ो अभी, पढ़ो. Resistance of a system of resistors. In preceding sections, we are on page number 209, our topic, we are reading the theory. In preceding sections, we learnt about some simple electric circuits. We have noticed how the current through a conductor depends upon its resistance and the potential difference across its ends. In various electrical gadgets, we often use resistors in various combinations. We now therefore intend to see how Ohm's law can be applied to combination of resistors. There are two methods of joining resistors together. Figure 12.6 shows an electric circuit in which three resistors having resistance R1, R2 and R3 are joined end to end. Here the resistors are said to be connected in series. Figure 12.6, you have observed figure 12.6. Figure 12.7 shows a combination of resistors in which three resistors are connected together between points X and Y. Here the resistors are said to be connected in parallel as we saw just now. Now, next. Resistors in series. Prior to that, observe. Ammeter arranged in series. Will every electron that comes out of the negative terminal pass through the ammeter?
Yes.
Yes.
Figure 12.6 and figure 12.7 both.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
अब समझ में आया ammeter arranged in series क्या होता है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is arranged on the main line. Ammeter is arranged on the main line. So can you tell me, in our household, what do we call the ammeter? अरे
Meter.
Meter.
मीटर, ammeter को मीटर बोलते हैं, और क्या बोलते हैं? Ammeter is known as a meter. And observe. Next means observe voltmeter in both the cases. Will the same electron pass through voltmeter?
No.
No.
No. आप बोलेंगे सर वो ऐसा आएगा, इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्टमीटर से. आप बोलेंगे सर वो ऐसा आएगा और ऐसे यू शेप में चला जाएगा. इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्टमीटर से जाने के लिए आता है या रेजिस्टर से आने के लिए जाता है?
Resistor.
पढ़ करना नहीं है. Clear? Okay. So that is the meaning of voltmeters are arranged in parallel and ammeters are arranged in series. Is series and parallel clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what we'll do, resistors in series, there are derivations. These derivations, there are derivations. So read resistors in series, figure 12, topic 12.6.1, resistors in series. What happens to the value of current when a number of resistors are connected in series in a circuit? What happens to the value of current? Come on, answer. What happens to the value of current when a number of resistors are connected in series? Will the value of for each resistance
Equal.
It will be
Equal. It will be equal.
would be the same? Value of current would be the same. वहां लिख लो आप आंसर में, आंसर लिखो. What happens to the value of current when a number of resistors are connected in series in a circuit? वहां लिख लो. It remains same. It remains same. Then what would be their equivalent resistance? What would be their equivalent resistance?
R1 plus R2 plus R3.
Yes. वहां लिख लो आप, एक सेंटेंस लिखो. The total equivalent resistance. The total equivalent resistance in series. The total equivalent resistance in series the total equivalent resistance in series will be the sum of sum of all the individual resistances. Okay, written.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The values would be added up. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So for today, this much is enough. We'll start the derivations tomorrow.